G'day guys, did you know that you can use your iPhone live photo to take long exposure photographs? Well, neither did I, but today we're going to check it out and I'm going to show you how. Stick around. Okay guys, so the first thing you're going to want to do is jump into your camera app and set for live photo function on. Now before we test it out how it works, let me tell you that long exposures are great. They can have the effect of smoothing out movement and give a sort of surreal, ethereal effect to your photographs, and also it's really cool for capturing things like light trails. Now I'm not sure that we'll be able to get light trails today given that it's daytime, but we will be able to check out how it can add a really unique effect to your photographs using the long exposure function in your live photos within the camera app on your iPhone. Let's check it out. The first place we're going to check out the effect is here at this lagoon. It's relatively calm now, but I'm hoping the long exposure function in the live photo will really smooth out this water here. Okay, so we go into the camera app. I've got live photo selected on. I'm gonna go for a nice wide shot here. Compose, take the shot. I've got the shot. Let's check it out right now. Jump into the photo app. And if you look up here, you can see that you have the option next to where it says live to hit a drop down box. And we're gonna drop it down and select long exposure. Let's see what happens. Wow, that happened really quickly and it's also really effective too. Check this out. Let's see if it smooths out the water, smooth as ice. Wow, it sure did. Would you look at that? That's pretty cool, hey? You do also have a couple of other options in here such as loop and bounce. Loop plays the live photo and just loops it. And bounce plays to the end of the live photo and then retreats back to the start, over and over again. But here we're talking about long exposure, and what I can see straight away is it's done an awesome job of smoothing out this water, smooth as ice. Okay, I want to go to another spot and see if using the live photo long exposure mode will actually delete the traffic from the road. And there's a bridge just up here to do just that. Okay guys, well I've come up here to this pedestrian bridge on Jivois Quay here in Wellington, and we're going to check out whether or not the live photo long exposure mode can actually delete traffic from the road right here in front of us. Now, there's not a whole heap of traffic, but let's give it a go and see how it goes. Okay, well, we've got some traffic coming now. It's actually quite heavy. It may well not work, but let's try it with lots of traffic. We take the live photo. There we go. Go again. And now we'll check out the files. So once again, you go into your photo app, hit the drop-down box, select long exposure. Oh my goodness. How about that, eh? All the cars are totally deleted. Wow, as you can see, that was a pretty cool effect. Now, I'm not exactly sure why you would want to delete all the traffic, but hey, if you do, you do. And not only that, it may be good for removing people from scenes, like if you're sightseeing or visiting popular spots where lots of people are, you could use this function to generate a photo that removes all those people from the shot. In fact, why should we just talk about it? Let's go check it out. Okay, well I've popped up to this crow's nest here in this promenade just above Frank Kids Park, and there's usually quite a few people walking along as there is right now. So we're going to use the live photo long exposure function to see if it can delete the people from the scene. Let's give it a go. Take the shot. We'll go this way too. Jump into the photo app. Hit the long exposure option next to the drop down. Wow, that's pretty impressive. That's really cool actually. Oh, that one, not quite so much, but that does look cool as well. Okay, well in those cases with the people further away and moving slower, it didn't seem to delete them entirely from the scene, but looking this way it most certainly did. Wow, it's been ages since I've seen the water whirler going, so we're going to give this one a go for the long exposure while we're here. Once again, we go into live photo, take the photo. What a bizarre contraption. This thing has not been working for years, but here it is. Pretty cool, eh? Okay, so let's check it out. We go into the photo app, bring up the photo of the water whirler, hit the drop down box, long exposure. Whoa, that's actually a really cool effect. Let's try this one here. Wow, that is pretty cool. Nice. Okay guys, well that's basically it. Just an introduction in case you didn't know about the long exposure function within the live photo setting within your camera app on the iPhone. It's pretty cool, hey? What do you think of the effects? Can you see some uses for it? I'd love to see how it goes with the light trails, but right now it's daytime. I'm going to leave that for you to try out. Let me know how you go with it in the comments below. Otherwise, thanks heaps for watching, and we're going to catch you next time. Bye.